Hi guys, this is NY and we're glad to have you here. To all our subscribers, thank you guys for coming back and welcome to our channel. So for today's video, I'll be showing you how to make this chain right here and in two different color. And there's three different style on how we arrange our chain. So for this color, as you can see, one side one color and on the other side is different color. This one is mixed, the alternate, the color as you can see, and this one right here is one side is one color and on the opposite side is different color. So I will be showing you how to make this chain right here. So if you want to know how to make this, please stick around and I will show you how. The materials here is only 260 balloon. So before you inflate your balloon, make sure you stretch your balloon. And after you do that, we will inflate using our pump right here. So I will pump and leaving this much on the tip, so about 2 fists. So now we will tie the nozzle right here, one end, okay, and then the other side. For the vlog today, I will be using this color so you can really see the difference between two colors. So once you have this, I usually squeeze them so it's nice and soft. So first you will need 4 of this, okay? So for this first one, we'll use this right. So I already inflated some. So for this one, I will tie both color first. So what we're gonna do is this style here first, okay? One side and on the opposite side is different color. Okay. So basically you will put this together like this and you wanna fold this one here, okay? So about a fist. So you wanna pinch and then you twist. It's very simple and it's easy to follow, okay? And then you put this on the halfway right here, and then you do the same thing. You pinch and then twist just like that, and you can see your chain already. So one side here is different color and here is different color. So it's very simple and it's easy to make. Pinch and twist, pinch and twist, just like that. And I'm gonna show it this way so you'll see. You pinch and then twist. And pinch and twist. Like that. Then at the end, just tie this together. So there's your chain. So one color on the side and on the other side. Okay, so that's how you do this kind of chain. So now we'll do this one right here. Okay, so it alternate. Okay, so the same thing, you will need 4 of this, and remember the tip. Okay, so as you notice, I put one color and mixed it with the other color. So 2 colors, tie it together. Just like that. And the same thing, you put this down and you want to pinch and twist like that. And you want this on the halfway, just like that. So you want to make sure that on top here, purple, and the next one is silver. Okay, so we alternate. Like that. So keep an eye on the other side as well. The purple, silver, purple, silver. So you got your pattern. You want to alternate. Just like that. See how I did this? You want this silver, so if you made a mistake, you can always go back and twist your balloon, and then you just have to turn this. That way it's easy. Easy fix. So now you can see purple, silver, like that. The alternate. So you do this until you get to the end. There you go, guys. Just like that, a alternate. So now for the last pattern, we have this right here. So you want this on one side, halfway is the same color and halfway is the other color. So as you notice, I have two different color. Alright, so for this style right here, for this pattern, we will attach different color. So once you get this, you will tie this here. So remember, pinch and twist. As I mentioned earlier, you want to make sure you continue on halfway. Okay. So you want this one side, different color. Pinch and twist. Pinch and twist. So basically, you just have to keep an eye that this line is the same color all the time. So as you can see, one side is silver, one side is purple. And there you go, guys. There's your pattern right here. So one side is the same color and on the opposite side is different color. Alright guys, this is done. This is it. This is our balloon chain in two different color, and now there's three different style on how you design your balloon chain. I hope you learned something from this video today. If you do, please give us a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel if you haven't yet. It will help our channel grow. So if you have a comment or suggestion, please leave it in the comment section down below. And once again, this is Bam Bam NY. Thank you guys so much for watching, and we will see you guys in our next video. Take care and have a wonderful day. Thank you. Bye.